Hello friends, welcome back to our Explore You Ever channel. When you think of the world's best food, do you think of Italy, France, or Japan? Well, for the last decade, one country has consistently beaten them all to take the title of the world's leading culinary destination. Today we are diving into the flavors of Peru. What makes Peru so special isn't just one flavor, it's the fact that they have mastered the art of fusion. By mixing ancient Incan ingredients with Spanish, African, and even Asian cooking styles, Peru has created a food scene that is currently the envy of the world. Today we are exploring the 3 dishes that made Peru a global champion. So, let's find out why the world is obsessed with Peruvian food. 1. Ceviche, the gold standard. We can't talk about Peru without starting with its national treasure, ceviche. While many countries have their own version of raw fish, Peruvian ceviche is considered the gold standard by top chefs worldwide. It's all about the leche de tigre, or tiger's milk. This is the powerful, citrusy marinade made from fresh lime juice, sliced onions, chili, and the juice of the fish itself. It's incredibly fresh, spicy, and tangy. In Peru, ceviche is so important that it is protected as part of their national heritage. It represents the perfect harmony between the Pacific Ocean and the land, usually served with giant Andean corn and creamy sweet potato. One bite, and you'll understand why it's a world champion. 2. Tiradito, the Japanese influence, Nikkei. The second dish on our list is Tiradito, and it represents one of the most successful food fusions in history, Nikkei cuisine. Nikkei is the blend of Peruvian ingredients and Japanese techniques. Tiradito is similar to ceviche, but it shows the Japanese influence. The fish is sliced thinly like sashimi instead of being cut into cubes. Unlike ceviche, Tiradito doesn't use onions. Instead, it is drizzled with a vibrant, spicy sauce made from ají amarillo, Peruvian yellow chili, or ají limo. This dish proves how Peru has successfully welcomed different cultures and turned their traditions into something entirely new and world-class. 3. Anticuchos, the king of street food. Finally, we have Anticuchos. If you want to eat like a local, this is the dish for you. Anticuchos are skewers of grilled meat, but they aren't just any meat. Historically, the most famous version is made from beef heart. While that might sound surprising, these are a luxury for the taste buds. The meat is marinated in vinegar, garlic, and cumin, then grilled over an open flame until it's smoky and tender. This dish dates back to the Incan Empire and was later refined with Spanish spices. Today you can find them in the finest 5-star restaurants in Lima and on every street corner, proving that in Peru, even simple food is a masterpiece. The culinary capital of the world. Why is Peru the #1 destination? Because they have the most diverse pantry on Earth. With the Amazon rainforest, the Andes Mountains, and the Pacific coast, they have access to ingredients no one else has. In 2026, Peru continues to lead the world with restaurants that feel more like art galleries than dining rooms. So friends, that was our look at the world's top food destination. Which of these dishes would you be brave enough to try? The fresh ceviche or the smoky anticuchos? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Explore You Ever channel. We'll see you in the next global adventure.